Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you put salt in your glass. A super cool trick. Let's say you have two glasses that are stuck together. In fact, these two glasses are currently stuck together. I thought this would be a great opportunity to film this little life hack for you. All right, the first thing that you want to do is go ahead, get yourself some cold water in the top glass right here. This little trick here will work for almost anything that's stuck together. Get yourself some ice. Then take your regular old Morton salt and put it in the cup so that it will get chilled faster. Then you want to go ahead and take your hot water and run it on the bottom of the cup right here. Now run it as long as you need to and try to pull these cups apart. The idea behind this is that you want the cup on the inside to contract and you want the cup on the outside to expand with the hot water. If you find that this little trick does not work for you, what I recommend doing, filling with ice, more salt, and then filling a tub or a bowl, probably a bowl so that you're not wasting a bunch of water, with hot water and letting it sit, and then you're gonna go ahead and pull them apart. All right, let's see if the magic worked right here. Let me dump this out and see if we can get them unstuck. Woo-wee, my friend. Again, this works for plastic, glass, anything. Make sure you add the salt. It's going to cut down your time significantly. All right, click this video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.